A guide you to add YouTube channel link to Facebook page. For that, firstly, let's hop into your Facebook. Let's say I'm going to my Facebook. From here, you need to tap on the top three lines, which you could access your menu option. And from there, you can go to your Facebook settings. So now let's say you need to come out of your Facebook and go to the YouTube. And in YouTube, you need to go to your channel, which means you in the bottom. After going over there, you need to tap on view your channel. After tapping here, you need to go over the three dots, which is the top. So from here, you need to select the option share. So after selecting that, here you could find the copy link option. So you need to tap on that. Here you could see that link has been copied. You need to come out of your channel for adding your YouTube channel link to Facebook page. So let's hop into the Facebook again. And from there, you need to tap on settings and privacy here. So if you scroll down like this, here you could find audience and visibility. In that, you need to tap on the profile details, which is the second option. And let's say if you scroll down like this, you can add any website or otherwise you can add social link in that contact info. Now let's say if you need to add that link, you can select any of these options. So let's say I'm tapping on add social link. Now here I have already added a link, that is my Instagram page. Now if I need to add that YouTube channel link, I can tap on add new link, and from here you can scroll down to find any of the options. Let's say I'm tapping on website. Here I can tap any of the website and I can add this YouTube, and I can tap on save. Here you could see that platform website has been added. Your link added to your profile. Now that has been added, and you could see that visibility. If I tap here, I can tap on public, friends, or only me. Let's say I'm tapping on only me, that will be visible to only me. Now if you need to change it to your friends, so you need to tap it again and go to your friends who can view your channel and they can subscribe. This is how you add YouTube channel link to Facebook page. Thank you.